Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY magnetic frame to put your makeup on. So I actually seen this idea on Pinterest. Obviously you guys know that I love Pinterest. Actually right now we are redoing our upstairs bathroom. Darius is kicking me out our bathroom because I have too much hair and makeup stuff, and I don't have a problem with that because I've been wanting to have a bathroom for just like girly stuff. You know, I always see these cute things in Target and stuff like that. I'm like, oh, finally I have my chance. It'll be me and Mackenzie's bathroom, and I want it to be really cute. So make sure you check out our video of our remodel of our bathroom, and we're doing everything ourselves and definitely on a budget. Since I do have so much makeup, I did wanted to make this magnetic board. I did buy a new drawer set to put my makeup, but it does not fit everything that I need it to fit. Let me actually just show you. I got these clear drawers from Ross. It's 6 drawers, clear, nice and slick. It was actually $20, and they said the original price was like $40 or something like that. But the one thing I don't like about it is, I don't know if you guys can see, is that right here is like, it's a split. So like each drawer is like 2 compartments. So I will have to like put my stuff, you know, sideways, which is not fun. And then like, you know, my let's see, like my eyeshadow palettes can't fit in there depending on, you know, where it's from and stuff like that. So I seen the idea on Pinterest to do the magnetic board. This is my first time doing it, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it, and I'm pretty sure it's going to come out pretty cool, and I think it's pretty easy from what I've seen. So if you guys are interested, keep watching. So the things you will need are a frame, and this frame I got a long time ago from Goodwill. It actually already had this sign inside, and what it was like only like $2.99. So this is the frame I'm going to use. A metal sheet, and here I got from Hobby Lobby for $10. And if you shop at Hobby Lobby, you obviously know that they always have a 40% off coupon if that's the only thing you're buying that day that's full price. So you can definitely use the 40% off coupon off of this. Other things you would need are magnets, also from Hobby Lobby, $2.99. I got 2 different sizes. This already have a sticker on it, so you can just nicely just put it on back of the makeup that you're gonna put on here. Since my bathroom will be gold accents, I actually got gold scrapbook paper to put on top of the metal sheet so it can look nicer. So this is when I realized that the metal sheet is not the same size as the frame. So I will need tin snips as well, amongst all the other things that we need for this project. I also use Scotch tape to tape down the corners so it's a little bit easier for me while I cut. Now, warning, when cutting with tin snips, it is very, very, very sharp. So while I was cutting, I had to be careful that what I was cutting wasn't scratching my hand or anything like that, because the metal sheet is very sharp. So please be careful while you're cutting this metal sheet. I also use Scotch tape to put on the back of the scrapbook paper just so it can lay down nice and flat on the metal sheet. Here I'm just using regular scissors to trim the scrapbook paper. For some reason, the back wasn't fitting back into the frame, so I had to go back with the tin snips and keep trimming until it fit correctly. Now that the frame is basically done, I went in with some glue. This glue that I use is just wood glue, but you can really use any kind of glue. I was being lazy. I should have actually used hot glue, but I just used this glue just to push down the seam so it could be nice and flat. Now here's the fun part, putting the magnets on the back of your makeup. Now this can be kind of tricky. You might need 1 or 2 magnets just so it can hold up right. So it's a lot of playing around. I must say that these self-adhesive magnets are very strong, very sticky, so it was really hard to remove one just so I can put it perfectly in the center of the makeup. So sometimes I just had to just throw it on there if I had to add another one. Thank you so much for watching this DIY video. Please comment below, give this a thumbs up, and also subscribe. See y'all next time.